Hey, lovely people, and all the bird lovers who love birds. This one is for you. And this is my little setup of zebra finches. That's Charlie gone inside his setup there, and that's Molly. And then I have this albino white budgies here, and the yellow one as well. And they get along very well. That's why I have kept them together. And Charlie has made his own house there, taking all the hay and all the grass, and he's built his own house there, and he will rest inside. That's Molly. Yeah, they're so cute. You see this? They're very, very cheerful, and it's amazing to have them in my setup along with my bunnies. So if you have liked this little video of mine and this little cuties, zebra finch and albinos, do click like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.